How to convert unified trading to spot in Bybit. So if you want to convert your unified trading account to spot, let me show you if possible to do it. First off, after you open up the Bybit app, you go to this asset. After you go to the asset, so if under the asset, as you can see now we have two accounts. So the first one is funding account and the second one is unified account. Before, if you come to this option, you will not be able to see the unified, or after the unified, you may be able to see the spot under at the bottom. So the reason why you cannot be able now to see the spot is because Bybit has updated the option for the account. So you can only have now two accounts in the Bybit. That's funding and the spot and the unified trading. So the unified trading is the spot trading that you know before. So the Bybit now only change the name and add some features to it, and that's it. Now you cannot be able now to change it. You can only use these two. So this is the how Bybit like design the app. You cannot change it as an individual who is using the Bybit app, and that's it, guys. If you tap on it, you'll be able now to see all your spot assets has like moved now to the unified trading account. So here you'll be able to see all your spot trading all your spot assets are now under the unified trading, and that's it. If this video helps, like and subscribe, or meet in the next one.